Welcome to A Great Cooker. I'm Serfronya. Let me show you how to make cherry dump cake. This recipe only calls for 3 ingredients. It's almost wrong how easy it is to make. Butter your baking dish. I'm using an 8x8 glass dish and I'm greasing it with Country Crock margarine. You can use real butter, but I'm making this for my husband and this is how he likes it. We're going to add the first ingredient, which is a can of cherry pie filling. I got this can from the Dollar Tree, as well as the cake mix. Right now, my grocery store is running low on food due to what's going on in the world. However, I was able to pick up about $35 worth of groceries from my local Dollar Tree. Once the can is empty, then go ahead and spread the cherries evenly in the bottom of the dish. Next, add the cake mix. Now, I'm only going to make a half batch. And the reason for that is because my husband has a very sweet tooth and he doesn't want to be tempted by a large amount of this dessert on our counter. So I'm just using approximately half of the dry mix. And I'm going to eye it. There's really no need to be exact. It's a pretty foolproof recipe. Shake out the dry mix as evenly as you can, trying to make sure that you cover all of the cherry pie filling. Now, you could double this if you wanted to. You would just use 2 cans of pie filling and the entire dry mix, and also you would double the butter. All right, I'm spreading this out with a knife because that's just what I had laying around on the counter, a clean steak knife. Of course, you could use something more appropriate. While I'm spreading this out, I want to remind you to subscribe to A Great Cooker for easy, affordable recipes that don't take much time to prepare. Next comes the margarine. For this amount of cherry dump cake, you only need 1/4 of a cup. And I've already scooped some out. I'm going to go ahead and melt it in the microwave at 40% power for 1 minute. I'm pouring the butter back into the measuring cup because it's easier and less messy than trying to pour it out of the bowl. You probably won't completely cover the dry cake mix, but it'll still work out fine. You want to bake your cherry dump cake at 350 degrees for approximately 35 minutes. Here it is, piping hot from the oven. Look, you can see the cherries bubbling. Look at how good it looks. Are you going to try this cherry dump cake, or do you prefer a different fruit filling for your dump cakes? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to click on this next video on your screen for another A Great Cooker recipe. See you in the next video.